Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be making Sambal Oelek. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching today. If this is your first time watching us, make sure you hit that little subscribe button down there on the right bottom corner and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Alright, well everybody is pretty much familiar with the Hoi Fong Foods version of the Sambal Oelek. Sambal Oelek is basically a ground up chili paste or sauce that's made with the following ingredients. We have got some peppers that we're going to use, and to give it a little bit of heat we are going to add a jalapeno and a serrano pepper to that. We got about a teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, 2 cloves of garlic. We're going to be adding some lime juice and some salt to this. Remember, sambal is just a chili paste or a sauce. Oelek means to grind it up, usually with a mortar and pestle. We're not going to be using that. We're actually going to be using some electronic devices today for that. But that's all it is. Let's head in the kitchen and start making it. I've got a ton of peppers here, as you saw from the bowl. I'm going to cut off the stem. You can probably just pluck it right off of there too, just like that. You don't want to throw the seeds or the oils or anything that's inside of the soy, because that's a big component in what the sambal is. But you do want to get rid of all these stems. So I'm going to go through all of these peppers and I'm going to take the stems off, and that includes the jalapeno and that includes the serrano. So when I get done with that, we'll join you back at the bowl right here. Taking the stem out of each of these peppers now. We have our jalapenos, same thing. Serrano, same thing. Then I got my lime cut and my garlic all peeled and ready to go. We're going to head over to the electrical power over there where I can actually grind this up. So let's head over there. Alright, the red light is on. So what we've got here is we've got all of our ingredients are right here. I've got our magic bullet, or I'm sorry, our NutriBullet, which we use a lot, right here, and then I've got a bigger bowl here that I'm going to set right there that we're going to pour little by little into, so because I don't think we're going to be able to fit all the peppers into this magic NutriBullet here. So I'm going to start out with about 4 of them, 5, 6 of them. I'll squeeze a lemon, maybe half the serrano in there. That's good. See how this works out. If not, I've got another backup plan. Well, that worked. Yep. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do all of this up, and then when we come back we will try it out. Okay, I finished it up. You can see the different colors in there because of all the different colored chili peppers and peppers that we put in there. I did add the vinegar and the salt, so now I'm just going to mix this all up. And you can see the seeds in there, just like you do with the Sambal Oelek that we have in the jar here. You can see the seeds that are in there. So this looks a little bit different, not only because of the color, but because it doesn't have the stabilizers and food modifiers and everything else that the bottled version of it does. But I can smell the vinegar and of course the peppers and the garlic. So I'm going to go ahead and jar this up. We'll take some awesome photos of it for social media, of course. Throw a little music underneath those photos, and then we'll come back and we'll give this a taste test. There you see all the different colored peppers in there. The color is different, of course, than the one we see from Hoi Fong Foods, which is red. But we're going to set up the tripod over here and do our tasting shot. I can't wait. Alright, well there it is. Get a focus on this. Sweet peppers, jalapeno pepper, serrano pepper, salt, 2 cloves of garlic, a little rice wine vinegar, and some lime juice. Everything's in the description box for this recipe. Now here we go. I'm tasting this. A little bite. Yep, a little bit more salt maybe. And some sea salt, not iodized like I use. Yeah, it's got some flavor to it. Of course, it's got a different color because it's not red, because we used a variety of different colored peppers. But it is going to be a good little sauce. You can boil this for about 10 minutes and then let it cool and jar it as well. And you can keep it in the refrigerator. I just went ahead and jarred it up. Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. Today we made a Sambal Oelek. My name is Chef John Politte. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. Give this video and this channel a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you've got something you'd like to add to the conversation. And then share this video and this channel with everyone you know. Take care of yourselves. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.